Hello, scrappers. Yeah, scrappers have been a little bit slow here lately. So, barrels have been doing good. Okay, I wanted to kind of go over a little bit of stuff. We got a storm coming in. It's going to actually start coming in this evening. I think they're talking maybe some snow tonight. But yet tomorrow's supposed to be mid-40s, so not bad. But by Sunday, Monday, it's supposed to get down to like 0 overnight. So I thought I haven't done a segment on prepping for a while. And one thing about prepping, we should all be preppers to a point, and actually we are, because I mean, you know, if you're going to go on a date, you know, you don't just run off in your work clothes, all grubby and everything. You get dressed up and shower, shave, whatever, put on your makeup, and prepare for the date. So, and basically, I'm not a doomsday prepper. I don't have the millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands I would need to build a bunker and store up food to last for the family to last years. But preparing for a storm can be as simple as basically buying camping equipment. You know, because you're basically, if the power goes out, you know, you water, maybe no water. If you're in the city, you probably still have water, gas, maybe. But out here on 5 acres, I'm in the country, I'm total electric. So I got my gas cans. I put some stable in them a little while ago. 2 ounces of stable. 1 ounce does 2.5 gallons. So I got them ready to go. I got to run in town and fill them up. So if the power goes out, I can fire up my little generator. Not a big generator, but it keeps the freezer going, or refrigerator, whichever one I choose. I don't think it'll keep them both going. And then yeah, I can power some electronics, TV set, Wi-Fi. But I've got a lot of Ryobi tools, as a lot of you guys know, you know, drills and whatnot. And I got all these batteries, you know, and I thought, well, why not get some inverters? This one's got a couple of USBs so you can charge your phone. Got plug-in, so you can plug your laptop in, whatever, and power it. It sits on top. Press and hold. Now it's not coming on. I think I'm pressing right. Maybe I'm pressing the wrong one. There it is. That's for the light on this one. Now this one here, it's different. It just has the one on-off button. So, but the only bad thing I do not like about this inverter is you have to turn the inverter on to use the flashlight. You know, they could have. It'd be so simple to fix the electronics to where the flashlight, as long as you're hooked to a battery, you could hit the button and the flashlight would come on. I mean, I got a Ryobi flashlight. I don't have to, you know, flip a switch, turn it on, and then turn the flashlight on. So that, I think they should rework that in the future. Possibly make it where the flashlight can come on independently without having to turn the inverter on. Because inverters use battery power just to run, whether, you know, just to be on. This one, same thing. You gotta press and hold to turn it on, and then just a quick on and off, I think, for the flashlight. Yeah, well, it's supposed to, but it's not. Of course, I'm doing a video, so it's not going to work right for me. But this one here, a lot of times, you know, well, like say if you got an Engine 1, you know, this will power that Engine 1 for a while, or CPAP, something like that. You got, you know, 2 high-speed USBs. You got the USB-C here, which is super fast. So these come in handy. Which I just recently got these a while back. They're about $50 each. So, on Home Depot's website. If you got Ryobi tools, if you have another brand, look into it, see if they have the inverters for them. Now I also have this 800 watt inverter. They also have a 1000 watt. It'll run on a 12 volt battery, or you can plug it into your cigarette lighter plug in your car, or run on. And it kind of tells you Putting out 20.2 volts right now on a full charge, which that drops as the battery drops down. So that's good to have. And then these lights I bought at Walmart last summer, camping area, sporting goods. They have probably an 18650 battery in it, maybe. It's got the rechargeable plug on it right there, and you got a button here. I don't know if you can see the blue in there, but you got a little bug zapper, which this time of year probably don't need it, but it's got, I think, 3 different brightnesses on this light, and they last several hours, so it'd be a good emergency light too to have, plus good for camping in the summer. I got these on Amazon. Flyhoon. It comes with a little bitty solar panel. It's rechargeable, and they come with a remote too. So you got high, medium, low, and we use these in our tent last year. Put them on low. It's fairly dim, so you can sleep with it on, but it still lights up the whole tent. So, and then it's got a flashing mode. So a couple of ways you can have some light if the power goes out. And then there's for heat, since I'm total electric, I got 3 of these. I got another one this size. This is the newest one. It comes with a nice cage all around it. But I got another one about this size. Then I've got a rectangle one that puts out even more heat. And power goes out, I got a way to heat the trailer. Another one, nice one is to have, I got the little buddy heater, which I've got the filter on here, so I can run a hose out to the big, 20-pound propane bottle, and I've got 16 of those all together. I need to, when I go in to get gas, I'm taking one of those into Ace Hardware to get it filled, and the buddy heater will run on these little 1-pound bottles. I need to fill this one, it's empty. So I've got, I think, 4 out in the trailer, a couple more here. So, but I think in this storm we're going to have 2 or 3 days, I think, pretty much below freezing, where it's not going to get above up to the 32 degrees. So, got to get prepared for it. I was talking to my daughter's boyfriend, and we're telling him this. Snow tonight is no problem. It's what the freezing rain and sometimes sleet is what hurt us, plus high winds. Get them high winds, it could knock power out. We had power out 3 or 4 nights ago. Had some high winds. Power went out for maybe an hour. So I'd gotten out of bed, got my boots on and stuff. I was getting ready to come out and get the heater and take it in, so my wife didn't get too cold. Get some heat going before it got too cold in there, but got the boots on and everything, and power come back on. So we were good to go on that. Anyway, like I say, doomsday prepper, you got to have a lot of money to build that bunker, and because you got to have a food supply, water filtration. But storms, stuff like that, depending on the area you live. Like I said, I put stable in here, so even after the cold weather, after February, I can probably use this in the lawnmower this spring. But we have tornado season coming up after winter, so that's usually April, May, sometimes into June. So sometime after that, I can either put the gas into the truck or into the mowers. So, and that way I can use it up through the summer and then replenish it next fall, next winter. Gas prices are kind of down compared to where they have been, so it's a good time to refill. So, like I say, even if you don't go camping in Oklahoma, you almost need camping gear. So, like I said, this isn't a prepping channel, but it's just, I think it's just good advice to try to get some stuff prepared so that you can have some kind of normality, through the storm. The kids get scared when the power's out, so you can keep some lights going, keep the TV going for entertainment. You know, if you keep the Wi-Fi on. Have kind of an update. Like I say, I've been working on barrels. I got a bunch of these cut out yesterday and got them draining. I need to take the ones that are draining right now and take them out to the circle drive. But had the feed store in Dibble contact me the other day or last week and wanting 30 barrels and asked what my bottom dollar would be on that. I told him, oh, $8 a barrel, I guess. Yeah, give him a little break because I know he's going to resell. And so he came by Monday, picked up 30 barrels. And I had another woman last week wanting 10 white barrels for a soccer deal. They're going to paint them green. That's why they wanted white ones. Didn't want the red, which red seems to bleed through a lot of colors. So I don't blame her there. So one day I went, of course I had to deliver them, but one day I went through 40 barrels. So now plus I sold 2 or 4 barrels also from other people that come by. I sold 6 of the dryer drums at 5 a piece. So I had a really good day Monday. So, and got to try to get these. I'll have to try to get everything inside tonight. So I'll get these flipped over here in a few minutes before I run into town and get. So I think I got 6 draining. So I'll get 3 draining into 3, and then probably before dark I'll try to downsize them and where I can get them all inside. That way if we do get snow, it doesn't get down into the chemical in there. So, but scrapping has been pretty slow. I haven't really brought much in. I started cutting up this corn head a little bit. So cut in there, kind of cut. There's a lot of places where it's bolted. You got to get up underneath. You almost lay on the ground and reach up in there. So I thought, well, I'll try to just cut away as much of this lighter steel as I can and get in there. Try to get inside where I can see where the bolts are and stuff, and get it down to the heavier metal and try to either disassemble it or cut it up. I thought even if I get it small enough where I can pick it up with the tractor and get it on the trailer, but yeah, I got a tanning bed over there. I got to tear apart and scrap out, but probably won't get a video out for a few days unless I'm inside in the cold. Which I still got a lot of stuff inside to tear down. Got stuff out here I can drag in there and tear down. But I've just been busy with the barrels. Been good money on it though, so. I still got about 80 or 90, something like that, out there in the field, so. Still got plenty to work with. But I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and I hope you guys are prepared. I know some of you up north are probably getting even worse weather than I am. Guys in Australia, you're saying, what do I need to know about this cold? It's hot down there. I noticed I had the toolbox open on the truck, so I got to get out and get that closed. So, got a few things to do, and it's in the afternoon already, but got plenty of time. Got to start loading that trailer one of these days, take another load in, but right now pretty much all I got is mowers. I got, some stuff. Got these barrel lids. Getting a little bit. I gotta get this inside. I got a lot of the wires from battery cables and stuff off a lot of those mowers I scrapped. So I got to get those in and get them sorted and run them through the wire stripper. Boss is out here keeping an eye on me. But I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you guys are doing good this new year. It's been scrap has been slow, but as far as making money, I have been doing that. So I think he wants his belly rubbed. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay warm. If storms are coming, they say it's calling it Arctic blast or something like that. So yeah, it's supposed to get pretty cold. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, happy scrapping. Bye-bye.